things. Oh yeah, I'm doing a toaster thing. I'm reviewing this really old toaster. So I'm gonna put in some bread, close it, plug it in. And it cooks really fast, so the inside's not crunchy. Yeah. So, well, I'm not gonna wait. That cooks too fast. So, see you when it's about halfway done. Alright, so that cooked pretty fast. That's half, and that's half the side. Let me flip them over. Close it. And I'll see you when that side's done. Alright, now both sides are equally done. Let me unplug it so it stops cooking. Yeah, I'm not trusting this cord because of that. I'm gonna have to find some electrical tape, and it also don't have a switch to turn it off. That's the only other way you can turn it off, with that still plugged in, which I wouldn't trust. So now I'm gonna eat the food. Crunchy on the outside, not crunchy on the inside. That's perfect. I'm gonna go get some butter real quick. Alright, I got my butter and my knife. This knife won't do. I have to use that one. This is gonna be hard to do. I found the easiest way to do it. Nope. Getting some butter. This is hard to do with this knife. I think that looks about good. That's much better. So, see you in the next video.